Hey everyone, this is Big Face from Big Face Robotics. I've got a quick evening project I'm working on. I'm out of my garage and it's about 8 o'clock in the evening. So it's dark outside and the lighting in this room is not brilliant. So I'm going to do something about that. I've been using a little spotlight for a little while now, and that's okay, it lights up the area, but when I'm working on the milling machine and the vise, it's in a darker corner of the garage and it's very hard to see what you're doing, so I'm going to put that right today. So I've been out and bought a couple of LED spotlights. These are the sort that you might hang outside, pointing into your garden, but I thought they might be quite nice to put in the garage, and I find a nice way of mounting them somewhere to give me full light on the work area by the PC and the milling machine. The first job to do is to wire these up. I'm going to wire a cable with a plug so I can plug these in, move them around if I want. Seems like just a nice quick way of doing it. Okay, so I've got both of these wired up on a plug, one on a nice long lead, and one on a slightly shorter lead, because that's what I had. When I fire these up, they are nice and bright. If you can tell on camera, they do a pretty good job of lighting up a work area. Now I just need to figure out where I'm going to mount them. So if you look at the moment, that's where my milling machine and vise are, and even with the little spotlight up there, it's pretty dark over here, so I'm thinking a spotlight on the wall perhaps, shining down on this area, and the same for my little area that I use for soldering and paperwork over here. Again, maybe another one up above the whiteboard. I've got some racking up here which I'm thinking of moving, and that'll give two nice big spotlights shining down on my work areas, so that is the plan. So here we go, just to finish this project off, I've mounted some wooden battens to the wall, painted them up, and I've got the spotlights mounted up there, as you can see. Got the wire running down to a plug socket. Not sure that looks particularly nice, but it does the job. And if I put this light on, you can see a nice little light on my workspace there. There we go, should have a bit better light for filming my projects as well. I've got the other one working up there as well. These things kick out quite a lot of light, and if you remember from the start of the video how much light I had by the vise, it's much improved. So there we go, I'm pleased with that. It's a little workshop improvement project. I can see what I'm doing, and should help with future videos as well, making things look a bit nicer with some light on them. So come back soon, because I've got a little project on the go, a little sneak preview, and I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.